Hello, it's your girl Fine Hair. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, if you are my returning subscriber, thank you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a stitch braid on your hair with extension. So I'm using my client here to do this braid. So I first of all started by prepping the hair, which is I put hair in a rack. I end up using 3 packs of hair or 3 sets of hair, and also I section the line because it's a beginner tutorial. That is why I did that. So after doing that, I started doing the feeding braid, whereby I take the hair. I started with a tiny hair and I did that. After finish that, I add more hair and I continue braiding until the end of the hair. So I'm going to show you what I mean by here I am, and starting with this tiny hair, I first of all use shine and jam to smoothen it out. See, I section the hair into smaller parts or section to make it easy for you to pick or grip as you go, because it's a beginner tutorial. Normally you will use your pinky finger to do the sectioning, but I use the comb to do it first. So you can also prep your hair. Also, I have a video where I show you how to prep your hair to make it easy for you as a beginner. When you now know how to do hair, you can now use your finger and section it and braid as you go. So why did I prep this hair? Because it's stitch braiding that we are doing. We want the line of where we are gripping the hair to show. That's what give it that stitch look of braid, like you're stitching something. So I have sectioned this hair. After that, I section into tiny to make it easy on me. Now when I add the hair, I use my 3 fingers, you see my 2 fingers of my left hand, and I hold it down. After that, I will grab another section of the hair, add it to the hair, then I bring the hair as I'm doing right now. I bring the hair back. I make sure I smoothen it, make it nice and sleek way laid down, then I braid it again. After braiding it a little bit, I grab another hair, I braid it. Now I'm going to pick up another hair to add to this hair because it's feeding braid. I will keep feeding it, which is pretty much giving it more hair, giving more hair as I go. I will keep adding more hair. That is really the result of how we are able to get that stitch looking hair all nice and sleek. And you see the line, you can notice the line as I'm going. You notice those tiny thing that you see on her scalp, which is her scalp. That is the look that we are going to achieve in this braid. Now it's pretty much the same thing if you know how to do cornrow. It's the same concept, but only different in this is you want to make the section that you're grabbing to be nice and neat, while in regular cornrow you don't have to do that. You just put your index finger or your pinky and you go. But this, we want the line to show, to give you a nice line on it as we go. We want to continue. Now I'm making it very nice and tiny, and I make sure that all my line while I'm stitching are the same size. And again, it was easy for me to achieve since I use my comb to line it up as I go. Now I'm using my index finger. All I'm doing is grab the hair, I go, grab the hair, I braid it, then I bring the next hair out and I continue braiding. I will add another hair. Is I use my 3 fingers of my left hand like I have showed you in previous video. Now if you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and watch it. I show you how to get the hair on your 3 finger to keep it there nice and tight as you release your hand to grab the next hair and you come back. That is all I'm doing in this video. I'm doing stitch braiding and I keep feeding in the hair, and I brought that hair back. Why do I bring it back? I bring it back to make the hair nice and smooth, and also I do not want where I'm adding the hair to show on top of the braid. If it's cornrow, that is okay, but with the look that we are looking for, I don't want that. That is why after I use my two finger to hold it down, I come back and I bring that hair back again to where I added it to original place, and I keep doing that. Now I will show you that. You see, I grab the hair, I use my two finger to hold it down, I brought it back like I'm cornrowing it, and I add more hair, and I'm going to braid it a little bit. I braid it again, braid it, then you see I add more new hair, see, to keep stitching it. Then I now bring the hair back, see, I brought it back, and I continue braiding as I go. That is all I'm going to do. I do it again, I add more hair to make it all nice and sleek. Baby, you're gonna make it nice and looking cute. That is all we'll be doing. So we keep doing that, we keep adding more hair, we braid it just the same as we do cornrow. There is no different, apart from we have to make sure that the line that we are gripping is all nice and sleek. We have to make it nice and sleek to be looking all that beauty and gorgeous looking. So you know what I mean. So I continue going, I'm adding more hair. I have to continue braiding. You have to do that until you get to the end of the hair that you section. That is all we'll be doing in this hair. So as you're watching, have you subscribed yet, guys? If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and smash that notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. Are you learning anything from this video? Please comment in the comment section. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so I continue doing the same concept. Grip more hair, I go, you see, I'm introducing that using my pinky finger to give it the line, but even though I have already gone ahead and make it nice and easy. And again, this video is a tutorial video, and when after you are watching me doing that, you have an idea how to do stitch braid and what are the basic concepts of what you're looking for. When you know what you're looking for and how it has to be, then you know what you have to do. Now, if you're doing this on yourself, your hand might be a little bit shaky. Oh, do you want to continue? Do you not? All you can do is just tie it right there and go out, take a walk or do something, chill, and come back and continue. You can pause the video. So I continue doing the same concept, baby, the same concept. We keep going, guys. That is all we are doing. We keep braiding and we keep braiding, we keep braiding, we keep braiding. See, I put it back down there. Now, if you're going and this hair is tangled, sometimes it might be tangled, all you have to do is use your right hand. Now, my own right hand is my strongest hand, so I use that and I will just go slow and detangle it with my hands. But that did not happen. I'm just saying what you might come across when you're doing this hair. If that happens, please do not give up. Just continue and know all you have to do is detangling it until you remove the knot and you continue doing. But this concept that I'm showing you, that will not happen because I use shine and jam on the end of the hair, so that makes it to keep looking nice and smooth. And also, as I'm braiding, you notice I keep adding more if it's needed. You use your description to see, oh, do you have to add more? Now that we are at the end, all I have to do, I will not be adding any more hair. I will just braid that hair all the way down. Now you can do it as length as you want it. The length of the hair that I use for my client, I believe it's 50 inches. Yeah, it was 52 inches braid and it was already pre-stretched. So that is what I use. Now I'm going to tie it so it will not unravel. Also, I'm going to put this hair in hot water, which I did. I went ahead, I put it in hot water, and I use blow dryer to dry it out so that she will not be wet. Sometimes when you do it, if you do it at home and if you are not going out, it's good for you to use blow dryer to air dry the whole hair so you will not be wet. Now if you're doing it in salon, that is what we'll be doing, like use blow dryer to blow dry it out, put the mousse and lay it all nice and slick. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and remove the scalp that I used to keep the hair down so it be nice and slick, well laid and slick. And after that, I'm going to put edge control on her edges, and voila, this is the end result of what we were looking. So let's just do the finished touches, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. If it's your first time here, please like, subscribe, and also thank you for watching my video. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for returning back, and please share this video to friends, family, and loved ones. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. And also please check out my client on YouTube. Her name is Shelita Slaughter. Thank you so much. I appreciate, and do like and comment in her video. Bye.